Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to import XML file in DaVinci Resolve 20. The first thing you need to do is actually come at the bottom, okay, on this panel, click on this. This will bring the edit mode, okay. Then what I want you to do is actually, once this, mode is open, come here, click on this icon. This is the media pool, okay, click on it and you'll see everything highlighted like this. Now I want you to right click anywhere and just click on this, import media from XML. Now once you click on this, it will actually open up your file explorer, and I want you to change, okay, just click on this drop down, make sure it's selected to XML files. Then you'll see all your XML files listed, and you can go ahead and click on any, okay, and then just open it up. And that's how you import your XML file in DaVinci Resolve 20. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to Quick Fix.